Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Caddy, stock reference number 5662. This shape runs from the 8th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a CAYD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CAYD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, both tailgate doors are in good condition, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather and cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no controls.